Today I'm gonna be teaching my mom how to do the kitty cat dance. In a house, butt naked.
Wouldn't it be butt
No,
naked?
mom. No. Like a sphinx. I forgot how to go. Leaning on my butt, knowing damn.
What the hell are you talking about?
In a house, mom. Mom, stop clapping.
I did.
You're not doing it at the same time as me.
Mama.
Stop clapping. You keep mom. You're mom. Mom. In a house, butt naked like a sphinx. There we go. All right. No. Up here. Bow.
That's
Yeah, like that. Okay. Ready? In a house.
Shazam.
Oh.
Dale.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you gotta be. That's the one.
¿Por qué no hiciste una salsita?
Mom. We do this one. It's literally 1, boom.
This says I have acid indigestion. Upset stomach, diarrhea.
No. In a house by a nigga like a sphinx. In a house by a nigga like a sphinx.
Oh man, I had it!
She's out of breath. 1.
In the house, but nigga like a